y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. It's been a while, but your girl is back. Today I am installing this 28-inch body wave wig. This wig is 200% density and it came from Amazon. Link will be in the description for this wig. All the tools that I will be using is from the beauty supply store. I use this lace tint because I don't know how to bleach knots. This video is beginner friendly. I am learning how to install my own wigs, okay? I have so much hair from Amazon hair companies that I need to use, so why not practice and learn how to install my own wigs? So that's what I'm doing today. If you see anything that I need to change, you have any tips, please comment down below. I am open for any and all suggestions. Let me tell you my issues I had. So cutting my ear tags was an issue. Baby hairs was an issue. Y'all make it look so easy and it was so hard. I did apply the wig on and I realized it wasn't down far enough. So I took the wig off with alcohol and put it back on and it came out better the second time. So I basically finessed it and I made it look good. It came out very good. I was happy with my outcome. I know some things I got to keep practicing on, but practice makes perfect. And I'm pretty sure, give me about a good month and I'll have this thing finessed and in the bag as well. I did a side part. That was my first time and I think I did a good job. So yeah, so just finish watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can follow me along my journey of learning how to install my own wigs and do quick weaves and just learning how to do my own hair, period, okay? So yes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Everything will be in my description box. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Push B. Yeah, push a B, turn me up. Turn me up, B. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a B. Caught no drama for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got a spot in the coast, back. Bees. Drop the data, now we black. Inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a B. Push a B. Capital P, I write the president, count president. Portuguese on her knees, my banana pea. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep the pee. Privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, push a pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah. Pop a P, I'm paranoid. Rest on me, why they watching me? Push a bit, push a bit, push a bit, push a bit. Touch it down, watch it okay, bought a peep, not a pill of Porsche. Push a bit, 3 P's, popcorn Porsche. Push a bit, I just fuck a cup of water. Push a P, red band, and a card. I'ma be at your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply push. I never saw off, now we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets with me, no question. Too rich to fix, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P of the alphabet, nigga try to sword. I'm pushing P, push a 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 P.
falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. To everybody else it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind I'm done fighting. In your heart you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new it won't be like that. To everybody else it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
I did that shit. Did I? I did that shit.